Namaskaram and Swagatam dear friends. In today's video, you are going to learn 10 lifesaver phrases in Malayalam. So, let's get started. First phrase, Enne rekshikku. Enne rekshikku. Please save me. Enne rekshikku. Kurache vellam tarumo. Kurache vellam tarumo. Please give some water. It means please give me some water. Even though the word for me is not there, it completely gives the idea that you need water. So കുറച്ച് വെള്ളം തരുമോ? എനിക്ക് ദാഹിക്കുന്നു. എനിക്ക് ദാഹിക്കുന്നു. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. എനിക്ക് വിശക്കുന്നു. എനിക്ക് വിശക്കുന്നു. I am hungry. എനിക്ക് വിശക്കുന്നു. ഈ വഴി ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരുമോ? ഈ വഴി ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരുമോ? Can you please tell this way? So you are trying to find out a certain address or a certain road, so you can ask this. ഈ വഴി ഒന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു തരുമോ? എനിക്ക് കുറച്ച് കാശ് കടം തരുമോ? എനിക്ക് കുറച്ച് കാശ് കടം തരുമോ? You can either say കാശ്, പണം, പൈസ. It basically means money. കാശ്, പണം, പൈസ. പൈസ. So എനിക്ക് കുറച്ച് കാശ് കടം തരുമോ? Can you lend me some money? So here is one thing I would like to tell you. So usually when Malayalis speak, people attain certain kind of speed due to the repetitive usage. So when they usually don't say tarumo as such, it sounds like taruo. Taruo. I have used that in its sentence in the coming example, so we can see it there. So tarumo, taruvo, taruvo is also right. Okay, എനിക്ക് കുറച്ച് കാശ് കടം തരുമോ? So that is correct. എനിക്ക് കുറച്ച് കാശ് കടം തരുമോ? Can you lend me some money? Bus stop എവിടെയാ? This is useful when you are asking for some certain places. എവിടെയാ means where is it? So bus stop എവിടെയാ? You can ask, also use it when you ask for railway station എവിടെയാ, airport എവിടെയാ. So bus stop എവിടെയാ means where is the bus stop? ഒന്ന് മാറി നിൽക്കുമോ? ഒന്ന് മാറി നിൽക്കുമോ? Suppose some person is standing on your way, so you want to tell them that please move aside. So you can say ഒന്ന് മാറി നിൽക്കുമോ? ഒന്ന് മാറി നിൽക്കുമോ? In English it is very easy. It just needs excuse me, but in Malayalam it needs ഒന്ന് മാറി നിൽക്കുമോ. Okay? സമയം എത്രയായി? സമയം എത്രയായി? What is the time? There might be some situations where you have to go in and ask to a complete stranger what the time is, and it is okay to ask like that. So you can ask what is the time as samayam etrayai, and you probably know this because I have taught you this in the video which says about time. So that is it. And last one is ഒന്ന് phone തരുവോ? This is what I was saying earlier, തരുവോ instead of തരുമോ. It will sound like തരുവോ. This is the most common usage of തരുമോ. തരുവോ. ഒന്ന് phone തരുവോ? Can you give your phone once? That's the meaning. Can you give your phone once? ഒന്ന് phone തരുവോ. So if you want to call someone and you don't know the person standing next to you and this is very urgent, you can ask for that. That happens. Sometimes you have to do that too. So that time you can use this phrase ഒന്ന് phone തരുവോ. I hope these phrases will help you really well if you are in Kerala. I hope you learned a lot of new words today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please hit on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification next to it so that the notifications is on and you can get a message as soon as I upload a new video. And Nani for watching. Namaskaram.